This might surprise you. What if I told you there's a treatment for erectile dysfunction that works in minutes without taking a pill? If you've ever struggled with performance issues or low confidence in intimate moments, you're not alone. This is Eroxon, a fast-acting topical gel designed to help men achieve an erection quickly. Unlike traditional tablets, Eroxon is applied directly to the skin. It works by stimulating nerve endings and increasing blood flow, helping you get an erection naturally. One of the biggest advantages, it can start working in as little as 10 minutes. Eroxon is designed for men dealing with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. It's simple, discreet, and easy to use. Just apply the gel as directed before intimacy. No need to swallow pills or wait for long periods. It's generally well tolerated, but some users may experience mild irritation or a warming sensation. Always read the instructions carefully and consult a healthcare professional if you have any medical conditions. Here's a pro tip. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, reducing stress, and proper sleep can also improve performance naturally. If you're looking for a fast and convenient solution, Eroxon might be worth considering. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and comment below. Do you prefer gel or tablets?